Welcome to this video webinar by Great here. After helping over 200 forex traders become profitable and make consistent withdrawals, I've decided to show you how to make profits off the forex market and make consistent withdrawals. You will see consistent growth in your trading accounts in a month. Dear trader, have you been looking to make money off the forex market but you find it hard because you have zero to no knowledge? Or do you find it hard to stay profitable even after paying huge amounts of money to join different signal channels? Hold your phone tight because in the next few minutes, you will discover how you can bank $500 to $300 monthly from Forex without blowing your account or having to learn from rubbish gurus. But before I tell you who am I and why you should trust me to deliver on my promise. My name is Grace Yano, and in the last 3 years, I've been able to make 5 figures in dollars from forex trading and build my forex brand online to over 1,000 active traders. Not only that, I have also been able to help hundreds of traders make consistent withdrawals and become financially stable. You see, it wasn't always like this when I started. I was good at many things. I knew how to analyze the market. I was very good at predicting. I was joining many signal groups. In fact, I paid money to join a lot of channels, but I was still broke and making peanuts from the signals, all because I was missing the three things needed to become profitable. That was when I realized that even with the best predictions and technical analysis skills, I will continue to make peanuts if I don't figure out how to trade profitably by myself. So you can see I'm the right person to put you through to becoming a profitable trader and attain financial freedom, because that is why we trade. Before I move on to sharing with you, let me quickly explain Forex and its terminologies for beginners. Forex. This is the abbreviation of foreign and exchange. It is the exchange of one currency for the other. Let me give you a detailed explanation. When you go and meet an aboki, you give aboki naira to collect dollar. That simply means you have exchanged the currency of Nigeria, which is naira, for the currency of United States, which is US dollar. That is simply foreign exchange. You have just exchanged one currency for the other. Or let me give you another example. When you go to an airport, let's say you travel to Canada and you're holding US dollar at their border, if you exchange it to Canadian dollars, that is forex trading. You just exchange US dollar to get Canadian dollar. And we have other currency pairs, other currency to trade. We have the euro against US dollar, we have the pounds against US dollar, we have the New Zealand against US dollar, and so many other currencies to trade. We also trade stocks, bonds, and security. Forex terminologies. Buying, it means buying a currency. Selling, it means selling a currency. Pips. Pips is used to determine the difference between price between two currency, that is pips. Leverage is the use of borrowed money by a brokerage firm called capital to invest in a currency, stock, or bonds. Stop loss. A stop loss is designed to let your broker know how much you're willing to risk with your trade. Take profit. It is determined to let a broker know how much you are willing to make as a profit with one trade and close it once you are happy with the amount. So, if you're still with me to this point, it shows you're really determined to change your forex game. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that has helped me to become profitable, and not just become profitable, to make consistent withdrawal, is trading psychology. Trading psychology is the emotional component of an investor decision-making process, which may help explain why some decisions appear more rational than others. Your trading behavior is driven by emotions. You will not be able to execute trades as a trader effectively if you are unable to control your emotions. you will discover that you are scared when you ought to be fearful and greedy when you ought to be fearful. Let me explain. Let me make you understand. Many forex traders hold trades when they are meant to close with the hope of it will one day return back in profits. I have seen traders remove their stop loss and add into their margin in a losing trade, hoping it will reverse back. But then they end up losing more than they should or get their accounts blown. Why it is the opposite for some people, once they are in a winning trade, they are quick to close it even when it does not generate substantial gains. They don't want to lose the little they have made and start closing their position in little profits. Meanwhile, they could make more if they didn't close early and end up revenge trading. When you are in a winning trade, hold on to it and learn to cut losses short when the market is against you. Knowing that we up your risk and we allow you to manage your emotions. And this takes me to my second point, which is risk management. Risk management is a crucial thing that has helped my trading journey. It is a strategy to avoid or minimize potential loss in trading. As a trader, you should know how much you're ready to lose on a particular trade before you execute the trade. And one of the ways to apply proper risk management is setting stop loss and take profits. You should never over leverage as it can lead to massive loss or getting blown out. I've seen traders that they place trade and they do not set stop loss, and after this makes them get emotional while trading. I've seen traders that they are praying that this thing should return. Why? They didn't set stop loss. They are now in heavy loss. And there are some traders that they didn't set take profit. It has the market has moved in their way already, but because they didn't set take profit because of greediness, they end up not making anything at the end. And another way to apply proper risk management is setting break even. So when you are in a trade, in a winning trade that is going your way, you can decide to set break even. This help you get out of the market without losing anything if eventually the market comes back against you, right? And the last one is risk to reward. So many people do not talk about this, but this is also important. When your emotion is in check, when you have applied proper risk management, then you need to look at what you're trading. Are you trading at risk to reward based signals? So this is what I'm trying to say. Let's say I want to lose $10, but I know that if I'm to win this trade, I'll be making $30, and I place that trade. If I should win that trade, I'll be up $30, right? On the next trade, I'll automatically know that even if I should lose this trade, I'll still be in profit, because whenever I trade, whenever I place a trade, I'm always making sure that my profit is more than my loss, right? Probably your profit could be times three of your loss, or your profit could be times two. This way, you don't have to always win. You don't have to always keep it in your mind that I need to win. No, forex trading is about winning and losing. You have to win some, you have to lose some, but it is so crucial that when you are winning, your wins they are more than your losses, right? And this is the kind of signals we sent to our traders today, right? So this was the signal I sent to my trader, and as you can see, let's look at this to better understand risk to reward. And you should know that this risk to reward is so important that it can help you manage emotion, because you already know that even if you win this trade and the next trade you lose it, you still be in profit, and you can properly apply proper risk management. So when you look at this trade, right, this trade, when you look at it, if you look at this point of risk to reward, you see that it is 3.6. What that simply means is that if I'm risking $100 on this trade, if I'm to win this trade as we have won it, right, that means we are going to make $360. So you're using $100 to make $360. So if on the next trade we do not make profit, we will still be up by $260 profit, right? So you don't need to be bothered that I'm making profit or not, right? And these are so many signals we do drop for my traders that trade with me, because automatically when you trade with me, these things, they are put in check, right? We make sure that the signals we send, they have a proper and a good risk to reward, and we make sure that we guide traders on proper risk management, which is why a lot of people that have been trading with me, they have, they keep on making profits. And as you can see, this was when I dropped the signals, right? This was the first signal I dropped. It went into 60 pips. The stop loss is 50 pips, and it did 60 pips and more than that. So which means the win is more than the loss, right? And the second signal, right, which was the one I just showed you, 170 pips, the stop loss is 50 pips. That is 3.6 risk to the reward. So as a trader, if your emotions, if you want to manage your emotions, you also need to do things that can help you manage your emotions. Things like applying proper risk management, things like trading on a risk to reward based system. And of course, as I've said earlier, this is where I send my trades for free for those that have joined to trade with me. Of course, most of them are here for free, right? I'm going to talk about that for those that are interested in trading with me, because who doesn't want to trade with a profitable trader? So if you look into this, you understand that this is exactly what I'm saying. So this was a trade I sent to this was a trading week with my traders, and you can see that we are making sure that we are winning more than our losses. This is so important, and this has helped a lot of my traders to be able to withdraw. And as you can see, these are withdrawals, 1,000 US dollar. I have traders that have withdrawn 1 million naira. I have traders that have withdrawn $700. You can see their profits, right? And this is because they have mastered these things I'm telling you. They have mastered to control their emotion. They have mastered to apply proper risk management. They have mastered to trade with a risk to reward based signal, like the ones I do send to them, right? So it is so important. And these things, I believe with these three things, you can become a profitable traders and make consistent profits. But then it also matters that you have a trading plan, you have a trading community, you have someone that is profitable that you're following, right? And for those that are interested to trade with me, you should listen to the next part. How can you join Bilbao VIP group? Before that, know that when you join Bilbao VIP group, these are the things you will get: high accuracy FS signals, my personal entries, educational materials, daily analysis and setup, reasons for entries, and you'll be able to join all my live trades. All I have listed is what you will get when you join Bilbao VIP group, and this can help you achieve profitability in Forex. Just like it did for Solomon, and was able to make 1.1 million in withdrawal, and Frank that made $100. How much do you need to join? I can easily charge you 200,000 to give you access to the VIP group. My smallest trading account can easily make me that, so I should be charging you times 3 of that. But I won't be doing that because I know not a lot of people can afford to pay monthly subscription. So I have a program with my broker that allows you to join Bilbao VIP group for free. Yes, you saw it right, free. You just need to meet the program criteria and a minimum trading capital of $150. But this is only available for the first 100 traders. So once we reach 100 traders, the program will be cancelled. So you should not even waste a single minute to get this while it is still free. But before you rush in to join, here is something you should know. The VIP group is only for determined individuals who are ready, active to trade, and ready to follow instructions. If you fall into this category, I can't wait to welcome you and trade with me. Send the message VIP to get the full information on how to join the Bilbao VIP group via the broker sponsorship program. Let's make profit and be at the top together.